Greetings people, greetings, how are you doing? It's your host here again, Maclean from Kenya, East Africa. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. It's been long since I posted, but today I've decided let me do something small for my people. And here I have my beautiful daughter, Lavina Miroya, aka Mwenye Nyumba. Eh? Hi mama. Hi. How are you? You're playing. Have you done your homework? Okay, go and play in there. See you later. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to make something nice, something cool. So just stay tuned and watch me making this delicious meal. As you know, I'm not chief, but I'm Chef Maclean. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, guys. Give the give the channel the watch hour that I need, guys. Please, I beg you, please watch my video. Help me push the watch hour, guys. I'm almost there, slow but sure. I know I'll make it so that I start earning money. We will share money together, so stick around, watch the video, guys, and let's do this together. So, as I told you, my name's are Maclean from Kenya, East Africa, and I want to make dinner. I want to start making dinner, and it's a very special dinner. So, let's start preparing, guys. Please give the video a thumbs up, and I will appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. And also, if you are new here, please subscribe, and welcome for my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you always for coming back and saying hi to Maclean. So let me put on my headgear and start preparing my dinner. So my people, here I have my beef or mutton, because it's the meat from the goat. Here I have my Irish potato, I have my basmati rice, I have my garlic here, I have my ginger and 2 cubes, guys, and also I have pilau masala, and I have cooking oil, without forgetting my 2 big or large tomatoes. So let's go on. So guys, as I had told you, my meat, I've already washed my mutton. It's ready to be boiled. I'll put on the gas and the mutton to boil. And I'll add 2 cups of water. So that I'll use the broth, if I'll remain with some, to make the food. Also, in my introduction video, guys, I didn't show you the onions. I have 2 large onions. I want to start preparing. I'll cover it for it to boil pole pole. In the meantime, guys, I'll peel my potato. So I've already peeled my potatoes. Yeah. Oops. They're ready. So guys, let's check our beef, or rather mutton. It's ready. It's very ready. Let it cook for a little bit as I prepare the ingredients. I'll start cooking with this one. I'll cook my onions. I'll add garlic once my onion is golden brown, cooked nicely. I'll add my garlic and ginger. It's now cooked garlic, my onions and ginger. Time to add my tomato. Add my tomato. My meat is already cooked. And this is Royco cube. Time for me to add my meat. Mutton Pilau masala. This is mutton, goat meat. This is goat meat, guys. And also I'll add my potatoes, Irish potato, for it to cook together. normally add a little bit of sugar, just a teaspoonful of sugar into my pilau, and of course salt to taste. Salt to taste. Meanwhile, I'll wash my rice. And leave it to soak for a little bit as I wait for my stew to cook a little bit, and I'll add rice later. But imagine yangu ya mchele haijaiva. So here's my soaked rice. I want to put in the meat. So I had measured 2 cups of rice. Now I'll put 4 cups of water. That is 4. Now I've measured 4 cups of water, 2 cups of rice. Now this broth, I'll add it to my pilau. Now let's test the salt and see if it's enough. I'll add a little bit of salt. That's enough. Let's wait for our pilau to cook, guys. I'll show you the results. My pilau is ready, guys. Very ready. Thank you guys for keeping me company. See you on another vlog. It's a bye for now. See you.